Hello guys, how are you? I hope everything is okay. So now we are going to solve the problem number 94, binary tree in order traversal. Okay, so let's look at the description. Given the root of a binary tree, return the in order traversal of its nodes. So what would you understand by reading this description? Now look at the example. Look, we have an input 1 comma null comma 2 comma 2. So output will be 1 3 2. How? Let's look. We have a tree, right? And input is root and the output 1 comma null comma 2 comma 3. Then output will be 1 3 2. Null will be executed or deleted from the or removed from the tree. Or we can say it is a list. Okay. Then null removed from the list. So how can we solve this problem? So first we have to select, then we have to traverse route, then right. Okay. I mean first we have to return not the return we can say first we have to traverse left subtree, then root, then look at the this look at this example. So what can we do now? First we have to we have to cover this left subtree, then root, then and here we can also see this is root for this and this subtree, and this is also root for this and this subtree. Okay, then we have to solve this, then root 5, then 7, then return to root 2, then return to 1, then solve 3, then 8, then 9. Okay. So here can do this. Okay. This is a simple brute force logic. So what we can do? So first of all, we have to create a variable to store the result. So we can create a var equal to, okay. Then we have to create a function. We can we can give the name anything what you want like सब सब सभी दे देते हैं ठीक है node what is this oh I not use now then we have to check if no, the node is not available in tree, then we have to return. Okay, if not node, then return. Okay, if now we have now we have now we have handled the base problem, then we have to handle first left, then root, then where dot append, okay, node dot value, then right, okay, sub node dot right, okay, then sub root, and then return that. Now run the problem, run the solution, not problem. Yes, this is working good. So we have to submit this. Yes, this is working well. अब हमें करना क्या है? बस हो गया भाई, सिंपल था ये तो। पहले हमने लेफ्ट वाले पार्ट को ट्रैवर्स किया, उसके बाद हमने उसे अपेंड कर दिया, उसके बाद हमने राइट वाले को कर दिया, ठीक है, उसके बाद सीधा रूट को कर दिया और रिटर्न कर दिया रिटर्न, ठीक है। तो आज के लिए कोड में इतना ही था। आई विल मेक श्योर टू do more problem on this stack, and I will give you the solutions from not in from what is from. I will give you a solution through my videos. Okay, so तब तक के लिए goodbye and keep keep striving, or we can say keep working well. Okay, and also be healthy. Thank you guys. Bye bye.